everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I'm here again. Ayun guys, may nakita kaming fruits dito sa may gilid ng kalsada. Kuha muna tayo. Alam nyo ba guys kung anong prutas to? Ito yung guys yung fig. Fig fruits. Matamis to guys, saka masarap. Dati ako kumakain nito guys. Ngayon, nung natikman ko siya, masarap siya guys. Masarap pala siya. Ayan yung guys, mamitas kami. Free lang to guys. Ayan guys, yung mga brown, yun ang mga hinog. Hinog na siya, pang mga brown na siya. Mga pa-brown na siya. Ayan o. Daming bunga guys. Naglaglagan lang yung mga bunga. Super dami ng bunga guys sa loob. Naglaglagan lang. Ayan. Kuha lang kami ng konti. Makakain lang namin. Yan lang. Hindi naman kami kumukuha guys ng maramihan kasi nasisira lang. Ayan, gora na tayo. Ayan guys, dito na tayo guys. Oh my god, may nadaanan na naman kami guys. Dito sa daanan nito guys. Ay, ang ganda ng bulaklak, mga flowers. Damo lang yan guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan guys. Mga yellow plums yan guys. Super dami ng bunga. Oh grabe. Oh my god. Umitas na naman tayo ulit guys. Kasi libre lang to. Maglaglagan lang to guys yung mga bunga. Wala naman kumukuha guys. Yung gusto lang kumuha, kuha lang. Tapos konti lang yung kinukuha namin kasi yun lang. Nasisira lang naman guys. Nakakita ko dito sa flowers guys. Dami. Konti lang yung pitasin natin. Daming bunga dito guys. Grabe. Yung mga ano pala to guys. Tumutubo lang pala yan guys ng sarili. Hindi yan tinanim. Ito. Sa mga ganyang place na tong ganito. Ang dami mga bunga. May iba-ibang kulay to guys. Yung red plums, yellow plums. May dark siyang maroon, ganyan. Tapos may malaki nito guys. Ito yung maliliit. Tapos may mga malaki nitong, ito yung small, tapos may medium siya guys. Tapos may large siya. Maraming uri siyang mga plums, fruits. Matamis siya guys. Pag hilaw siya, medyo maasim-asim pa. Pero pag hinog na siya guys, super tamis niya. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Ayan guys. Sana nandyan kayo. Mag-enjoy din kayo. At ako ay nag-enjoy din dito. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Shout out sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Thank you very much guys sa walang sawang pag-support sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Medyo mahaba-haba ang ating vlog for today. Ayan guys. Tama na yan. Mag-go na tayo at pupuntahan na natin doon. Excited na kasi ko guys sa pupuntahan natin. Samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go. Ayan o, super sarap nito guys. Malalang na siya guys. Mga hinog na. Mga hinog na. Gora na tayo. Gora. Thank you mga puno. Ayan, gora na tayo guys. Ayan o, nakikita nyo maraming bunga yan. Mga tubo lang yan guys. Ang dami pa. Kahit saan guys, may mga yan, mga prutas na ganito. Mga flowers. Ang ganda guys na mga flowers. Damo lang yan guys. Damo. Itong place na to guys, ito lang sa likod ng bahay ni mother-in-law. Ayan yung mga bahay. Ayan guys, sa likod to. May mga farm kasi dito guys. Ayan, may mga bunga yan. Ayan, mga red plums yan. May mga bunga. Ang dami kasi dito guys ng mga farm. Malaking farm ba nila? Malalawak yung mga farm dito. Maraming mga tanim. Super excited na ako guys sa pupuntahan natin. Oh my god. Balikan lang pala natin to guys kasi ito yung place na pinuntahan natin sa una kong in-upload. Binalikan lang natin guys kasi alam nyo na, surprise. May gusto talaga akong balikan dito kasi alam nyo na, makikita nyo yan guys. Excited na ako, surprise. Makikita nyo guys, malapit na tayo. Ito guys, yung mga brown na yan, malapit na yun i-harvest. Yan yung mga ginagawang Mga bread, yan yung wet. Mga ginagawang bread yan, palawak din yan guys. Super lawak ng mga tanim na yan. Mga ginagawang bread. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys yung mga yellow. Surprise! Yan yung talaga yung excited akong balikan dito guys. Kasi dati nung pagpunta namin guys, hindi pa yan mga nakabuka. Halos ilan-ilan pa lang yung mga nakabuka. Ngayon halos nakabuka na guys yung mga sunflowers. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys. Super, grabe, napakarami. Ang dami, ang lawak nito guys. Hanggang dun, dulo. Oh my God. Lahat na sila may mga bulaklak. Nakabuka na talaga guys yung mga bulaklak nila. Pero hindi pa daw yan totally buka kasi wala pa yung mga seeds niya. Pag totally buka daw yan, yung may mga seeds na siya. Yung kinakain siya ng seeds. Ginagawa daw kasi ito ng oil. Kaya alam nyo ba guys, kahit saan dito may mga sunflower ditong farm. Napakarami. Super. Kasi ginagawang langis daw yan guys. Ginagawing oil. Super dami na mga sunflower dito kahit saan ka magpumunta. Ng mga farm. Kahit madadaan sa kalsada guys sa ibang lugar. Ang dami mga pananim na sunflowers talaga. Nakikita nyo guys yung iba yung hindi pa na hindi pa siya nakabuka yung ibang sunflower. Pero halos lahat na guys nakabuka. Dati guys yung pagpunta namin dito, ang last na upload ko guys, siya, hindi siya nakabuka pa. Ilan lang yung mga nakabukang flowers. Pero ngayon, super dami na. Ayan, super dami talaga guys ng mga sunflowers. Napaka-enjoy ako dito guys. Super enjoy ako. Kasi first time ko guys makakita ng mga super lawak nito. Pangarap ko talaga guys na dati na makakita ko ng mga sunflower na ang dami. Ngayon, ayun na, ito na nga yan. Nakita ko na guys sa personal na ang daming sunflowers. Oh my God, dito ko lang para ito makikita sa personal. Nakikita na ako guys dun sa Pinas. Kaso, lang, isa-isa lang. Pero ito sa farm talaga super dami. Ayan guys, iba-ibang fruits din yan guys. Yung mga prutas na to, ng mga nakaline, iba-ibang prutas din yun. Kaso hindi ko alam kung ano mga name nun. Super ganda talaga nito. Ng mga sunflowers. Ang lalaki na guys, oh. Oh, yung mga flowers. Oh my God. Super ginit pala guys ngayon dito. Super init. Grabe. Ang init-init guys. Tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo yung mga dahon guys. Yung mga dahon lahat sila paano. Kasi super init talaga. Super init. Grabe yung araw. Ang sakit sa balat. Tapos tingnan nyo, sobrang siya. Yung mga dahon ng mga sunflower talagang siya. Sobrang init. Puro siya pababa. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo. Hello! Nandito na ako sa gitna ng sunflowers. Oh my God! I can't believe I'm here guys in the middle of sunflower. Actually, I'm not really in the middle of sunflower. It's just near in the gilid guys. Oh my God! But I'm really enjoy here. I feel here in the middle of sunflower guys. Oh my God! Pero guys, ito pag nakakalikit yun sa mga skin mo, medyo makatikati siya. Kaya buti na lang naka-jacket ako guys. Ayan, super ganda. I even really enjoy here. Oh my God. Napakaganda guys pag masdan. Ayan guys, nakita nyo ito si Padi. Takot ito sa camera. Ayaw nyo guys sama sa video guys sa camera. Ayan, napipilit na lang siya si Padi. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo guys sa aking video. Thank you very much guys sa walang pagsawang pag-support.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
Ayan guys, ikutin natin dito guys buong lugar dito hanggang dulo. Sa yung mga farm dito, tingnan natin hanggang dulo. Kung saan tayo dalhin ng motorcycle. Gora lang tayo guys. I just wanna share. Samahan nyo kami hanggang dulo guys. Let's go!
We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you, but I don't think I want to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with Tuesday, I'm all alone, but then you called my phone. You said, "Baby, I'm sorry, I'm on the road. I don't wanna hold you back, but I know that you're coming home. I know that you're coming home. I can't find the words to keep you, but I know I don't have to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Just take my heart and get carried away, get carried away. Protect your spark, I won't let it fade. No, I won't let it fade. Good. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it.
Ayan guys, tuloy lang tayo doon. No? May mga magandang view doon. Pataas tayo guys. Tingnan natin hanggang doon sa dulo. Makikita natin dyan guys. Samahan nyo kami. Gora lang.
In the still of the night, gazing up at the sky, when the stars began to fade, Running lanterns in our eyes. Thought there was nothing to find. I stopped searching for a reason. Just let the world embrace us. In the silence we are one. Can't escape from this feeling inside you. Release from heartache, you'll be fine. When the cracks start to let you run right through, I'll be there to help you shine. I used to come here all the time in late July to send a wish into the night that maybe one day when we leave the hurt behind, we'll find a way to make our hearts burn bright like a comet in the sky. I promise you this, as long as you're looking, you'll see the signs. Just for a moment, a flash of light, you'll never forget. I heard you crying aloud, and a part of me cried with you. I finally see why all the neat tears fall out of you. Can't escape from this pressure inside you, but tonight the stars align. When the cracks start to let your own light through, I'll be there to help you shine. I used to come here all the time in late July to say a wish into the night that maybe one day when we leave the hurt behind, we'll find a way to make our hearts burn bright like a comet in the sky.
Si yung motor ni Padi, hindi nalagyan ng gasoline. Baka maubusan tayo ng gasoline ba? Ayun, naakit ako guys dyan. So, may mga sila. Marami silang mga tanim. Ganda dito guys ng lugar. Ayun may mga bahay dito guys. Walang tao, walang nakatira. Bakasyonal lang ba? Ayan guys, may nakasulat pala dito. Bawal magtapon ng basura. Bawal maghugas dito guys ng ng sasakyan, ng motorcycle, etc. Pwede hugas kamay, saka inom. Malinis kasi rin daw yung tubig dito guys. Bawal, etc. etc. Ayan guys. Ayan, matagal na daw to guys. Kahit saan pala dito guys may tubig. Kahit saan pumunta ka dito, sa mga lugar-lugar dito may marami silang tubig pwedeng inumin. Ayan guys, to guys, malinis daw to guys, pwedeng inumin. Maraming bis maraming umiinom ng mga bis, liguan. Dami Super lamig pala ng tubig na to guys. Sabi daw nila is 100 years na daw to. 100 years. O mas matagal pa. Grabe yung mga dito. Mga tubig dito guys. Kahit saan. Hindi ka mauuhaw. Tada! Padi, ayan. Takbo na naman si Padi. Alis na naman siya. Alam niyo na. Gora lang tayo, guys. Gora. Selfie muna tayo. Para may remembrance ba. Ganda dito guys sa ano na to. Sa place na to. Super fresh. Ang lamig dito guys. Malamig yung ano niya hangin. Fresh ba. May ano din doon guys. Ayan guys. Ito pala yung tubig. Inom tayo guys. Wow. Lamig. Ang presko ng tubig guys. Grabe. Sarap. Lamig ng tubig ba. Super lamig ng tubig. Ayan guys. Gora na tayo. Hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Kasi yung gasoline. Gora na tayo. Baba na tayo ulit. Next time. Pag may time. Gora doon. Sa pinakadulo doon. Marami pang mga doon. View at saka mga farm ba. Pero pabalik na tayo guys. Kasi maubusan tayo ng gasoline. Hindi kasi si Padi nakalagay ng gasoline ba. Nakalimutan daw niya. Pero sa bahay ni Mamits, may gasoline doon. Nakalimutan niya lang maglagay. Iyon. Garo na tayo pabalik.
Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind? When in between the good and bad, there's such a thin line. How can you know what's in our heart? When often hate motivates and love tears you apart. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Walking into signs. Red flashing lights by your side. Take a number this time. You can't save it tonight. Can't save it tonight. She said, take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Take it, I want more. Nothing like ever before. I can give it all. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Take it now. Tell me, have we met on a night out or in something that I read? That instead, I'ma find out. Messages you sent to an end. They're hiding now. Why they're down? Tell me, have we met? Heard it from a friend. Taking too long. Shaking on the phone. Red flagging by your side. So they can't get